Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the June 2025 Sew Sampler. So if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they're monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop. They're $24.99 a month plus shipping. I'll put a link on where you can get the Sew Samplers below this video. So today we're looking inside the June box. The theme for June is Midsummer Magic. And then on the back there are some QR codes for a couple of upcoming patterns plus a 15% off coupon. I also have my little insert. It tells me everything that comes in the box along with its retail value. So I'll tell you what this box is worth when we're done with today's video. We're also going to start off with our flowering block of the month. This is the flowering quilt along. This is block number 3, and it says this month's flowering quilt block is ready to bloom. Let your creativity run wild as this sampler quilt sprouts into a true forget-me-not stitch by stitch. If you've missed one, all flowering block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop for $4.98. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this box at the end of the video, so stick around. However, this will not be included in the giveaway. I actually collect all of these for all 12 months plus the finishing, and then once I have all those, I'll do a giveaway for the whole bundle for one of you. All right, so the first thing in our box is this thread. It is a small 50-weight Aurifil in violet. It is valued at $5.98, and it says thread your needle with a dash of Aurifil magic this month. This nifty 50-weight spool of cotton thread from Aurifil is spun from Egyptian cotton, making it fine, smooth, and strong for an enchanting sewing adventure. The violet shade pairs perfectly with the full moon forest fabric in this month's box, and we highly recommend it for binding on this month's exclusive quilt pattern. This is really cool. I love Aurifil. It's my favorite, so I always love getting Aurifil thread in my box. I know they put out different brands, but Aurifil is kind of my go-to, so I love it when I have this brand in my box. The next thing in this month's box are the small magic clip set by Taylor Savell. This is valued at $8.98, and it says add a sprinkle of magic to your sewing with magic clips. These wide clips hold layers of fabric securely without any distortion, making them perfect for binding and hemming. The flat metal clip can slide under the presser foot, just not the needle, so you can keep them on while you machine stitch. They're also great for holding fabric cuts to your pattern, ideal for sewing at retreats or away from home. No tricks here, just another touch of magic to make sewing a breeze. And so these are actually really cool. I don't want to open this because I am doing a giveaway for you guys, but look how flat those hooks are, or clips are. I think that's really cool. So you can have those and keep them in place while you're stitching. So that's kind of interesting to me. I have not seen these before. And they also, it looks like they have a QR code on the back, so you can see how they work in action. The next thing in our box is a Creative Grids ruler. I always love getting rulers. This is the 3.5-inch ruler valued at $11.98. And it said the Creative Grids 3.5-inch quilting square is a great tool for cutting and squaring up small pieces like those you'll find in this month's exclusive quilt pattern. Like all Creative Grids rulers, it includes easy to read black and white markings in 1-inch grids divided into 1/8 or 1/4 inch increments. The grippy back also ensures it stays in place and reduces hand stress so you can keep working your cutting magic. I love Creative Grids rulers. These are my all-time favorite. I have probably not every size they've made, but I have a lot of sizes. I think all the way from 2.5 inches up to like 15.5-inch squares. So I use these square rulers a ton. I think you'll find this one really helpful. The pattern in this month is called Wise Guys Quilt Pattern. It values at $9.98, and it says, don't worry about all the hooting and hollering this quilt will stir up. It's just pure excitement over these charming owls. The Wise Guys Quilt Pattern is an exclusive treat in this month's box, celebrating the nocturnal wonders in Tula Pink's Full Moon Forest 2 prints. Dress them in her vibrant hues or go classy with dark neutrals. Either way, these Wise Guys are sure to keep you grinning. There are limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. There is a QR code on the back so you can see if they still have any available, and I think you can scan it from my screen. This quilt looks pretty easy to put together actually. These are really cute. These are really cute. I love all the bright colors. They look pretty easy and beginner friendly. I think this would be really cute in fall colors as well. All right, and then let's take a look at our Free Spirit bundle. So here's what the bundle looks like. Our fabric in this month's box is the Wise Guys Full Moon Forest two 10-inch squares. It values at $22.98. Tula Pink is celebrating her 50th fabric line by paying homage to Where It All Began, deep in the enchanting woods of Full Moon Forest. In Full Moon Forest 2, Tula gives every original print a fresh twist, showcasing everything she's learned along the way. We're smitten with her update on this nocturnal-inspired line, bursting with the vivid, eye-popping colors we adore from Tula Pink. This curated set of 20 10-inch squares offers a generous taste of all the color and artistry in the collection. So go ahead, explore, discover, and let your creativity run wild. All right, so that's everything that came in the June box. I did add it all up for you. The value of the box is $64.88, which is a great value. And then let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing is from today's unboxing. I'm gonna do a giveaway for one of you. I do have a few rules for my giveaways. Number one, make sure you're a subscriber. I like to do giveaways for my subscribers as a way to say thank you for supporting my channel. Number two, leave a comment below letting me know your favorite thing from today's box. I'll pick one winner from those comments. Number three, since I'm shipping this, I have to keep it to US only. I do apologize. International shipping is really pricey. I will pick one winner from those comments. I will reply to your comment here on YouTube. I will also put your name in the description box below this video. It'll say winner and then whatever your handle is from your comments. If you think you've won, please send me your information at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. Please do not send your information to anyone else. I will not contact you in any other way. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this month's unboxing. Good luck to you on the giveaway. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will see you in the next video. So today we're going to be taking a look inside the June. All right, the pattern in this month's box is for the cat lovers out there, wise guys, quilt patterns. Oh, nope, those aren't cats, those are owls.